Oh, buddy.
Și să mi-i pliculesc cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită.
Oh, hello.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Dogs somehow make life funnier every single
Yeah, that's the stairs.
Ayan, makikita. Hindi ka.
Claustrophobic, never watch this.
And oh, hello. Hello.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
This. What? What is going on?
Really offended him. bombastic side eye.
Don't try it. No, Michael!
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
What the just happened?
Marshmallow. Get you with that camera.
Bro, just lying there is so boring. Try some stretches. Ah, yes!
Hope she ain't moving.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Acorda, cara.
The best nap of his life right there.
No! Sorry, she just needed a little video took.
Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to... Their ability to stand on two legs is definitely proportional to their level of...
What? What is going on?
Хороший мальчик. Выходи. Выходи. Молодец. Молодец.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever. Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
I thought so.
Huh?
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Oh, I know. Oh no. Little man.
Looks like someone is.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
To anybody having a bad day, just know that Benny put his freaking ball through this hole and he's refusing to leave. So I've been here for 20 minutes.
On your mark, get set, go! Oh no! Look at him go!
So the lid is missing. Wonder who was in the trash can.
See what these animals have been up to.
Oh? Ow!
How do you do this?
He sits like a boss.
Yo. And like know what like the pimple comes up.
No!
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Not to let your cat pet you.
Skincare is what your doggo is passionate about when she does this with the watering machine.
Well done.
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
I'm so beautiful.
What are you doing?
看起大家的样子，一起游玩。一开始登场的游戏是马里奥赛车的最新作，一切都是新的。Nintendo Switch
那一定会换代跑。
Oh, she ain't moving.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! Oh no!
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
You beating up that blanket.
No.
What is this? No, you stay there. What happened here?
Tucker, place. Oh. You want to come over for a treat?
You can literally see the bark loading.
You know how to bark now?
I've never heard of bark.
Yeah, you what?
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
Come on, Beth. Come on, get up here.
Every big jump starts with a little courage.
Come on, Beth. Come on, get up here. Get up here. Oh, you almost...
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test. Kittens are usually far less cautious around dogs, and it's always this level of pure curiosity.
I can't let you outside.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game. Dogs are naturally alert, but their bestie cat can pretty much do whatever they want.
Just getting all that energy out before bedtime.
Hungry? Now.
They might be different species, but they both use licks as their love language.
Leo, I think you're too big for that box. I think you're too big. You don't fit.
Hey, 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 hey.
Try again.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Up to your eyeballs. Oh.
to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome!
They have no concept of artworks, and it's just an ideal spot for climbing without falling over.
Los animales del monte hallan a los chiquiticos y los crían. No! Stop it!
Oh, it's a monkey o'clock.
Like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
I would like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
This.
Curiosity is great, but only for those furballs. For everyone else, it's a bit of a hindrance.
Poopsie?
See? Never let these kiddos' tiny size fool you whenever there's a sudden mess in the house.
No!
This furball's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Can you read this?
To my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's good.
Yeah!
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah!
Hey,
Our vision for this.
can I touch you?
Don't bite it. No. Be sweet.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
That's all for today. Thanks.
Is it time for smelling salts? What's this?
Oh my gosh, is that your daughter? How many months is she?
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
Oh no!
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Her out?
Be scared of the kitty.
Guess who hates baths and gets wet easily, but still loves places full of water and detergent?
Two cookies, and I don't have any.
Excuse me! No!
Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Huh?